Alright, Chapter 2, Echelons of Maintenance, General. Village, care and maintenance of the operation of the Transportation Corps file with the 5 Echelons, C with the TM, 37 to 250, with the zone of the interior operation utilized with the railroad service and various point with the camp station for the maintenance of the rolling stock assignment thereto may be performed by either enlisted with the service personnel with the 1st and 2nd Echelon maintenance of the railroad equipment that is responsible for the commanding officer for the installation to which of the equipment is assigned higher with the 2nd Echelon with the maintenance for the responsible for the chief of the transportation, except on War Department hospital cars are set forth in 2 below. 1 Zone Master Mechanics representative of the Chief of Transportation exercise of the technical control over the Echelon maintenance for the War Department of Railroad equipment that operate with the domicile with the installation which are with respect to the zones. 2 Operation control of the first 4 Echelon maintenance for the War Department of Hospital car for the responsible the commanding general over the service command of which the cars are equipped with and the chief of the transportation responsible for the technical control of the maintenance for the hospital cars exclusive of the medical and kitchen equipment, running gear and air brake equipment will be inspected with the railroad over the roads whose lines the cars are operated in accordance with the code of rules for the interchange of the Traffic Mechanical Division Association of American Railroads. 3 War Department owned tanker cars which are operated over the lines of the common carriers are maintained by the carrier accordance with the foregoing code by the rules. Threat of operation, theater of operation and orders. In addition to the own maintenance of the operation, military, railway, service may utilize with the maximum civil personnel with existing equipment in space facility with the maintenance of the procedure for the will conform with the standard of railroad practice. The variation may be necessary with the 5 Echelon system based on the local condition. Normally, with the railway operation battalions will be responsible for the first 3 Echelon maintenance of the railway shop battalion, 4th and 5th. Territorial departments, the Echelon maintenance of the territorial department of the commands are similar to the zone interior. 1st Echelon maintenance. 1st Echelon maintenance will be performed by a car inspector with the originating point with the train with the inspection point en route with ensure the safety of the movement of the cars and its landing on all type of the equipment that will include the inspection of the air brake gear, running gear, draft gear, and other equipment, examination, lubrication of journal boxes. Our hospital kitchen car with the both prior with the train with the department en route with the personal assigned with the under the jurisdiction of the hospital train with the command with addition A of the above will respond with the following. See Chapter 5. 1 stocking other than medical supplies such as fuel, water, ice, air conditioning, any other use of electrical supplies, etc. Placing cars on roof with a standby pre-cooling facility when such facilities are available, loading and unloading points. 3 operating, controlling, heating, air conditioning, car lighting equipment. 4 renewing light bulbs and fuses. Chapter 5, C5 checking batteries. Section 6, Chapter 4, reporting all defects and failures for the train commander. 12. 2nd Echelon. The 2nd Echelon maintenance will be performed with the originating point with the train inspection point over the route with the car inspected with the military personnel with the common carrier railroad personnel. It will consist of the set of the repairs, running repairs if necessary for the safety of the operation, freight equipment, safe for the comfortable for the operation, passenger, hospital cars. Set for the repairs will not require cares to be taken on. Service includes such maintenance for the replacing brake shoe, for the applying with the new air, with the dusting brake, with the applying journal brasses, repacking journal boxes, applying with the oil in the journal box, repair with the draft gear truck for the air conditioning, heating of the and car lighting equipment, any other which may be requested by the conductor of the train commander. Your 3rd Echelon maintenance, the 3rd Echelon maintenance will be formed by maintenance personnel either with the military, civilian, home base, the car with the prescribed location, consistent with the stuff of the running and emergency repair with the require of the car to be taken out of service for a short time only, so for the changing of the defect with the wheel, journal with the side frame, with the couple of the draft gear, with the air brake, for the repair of the parts of the piping, the minor repair to the car body. In addition, with the passenger equipment, the hospital cars will consist of the daily, weekly, monthly, semi-annual, annual inspections, cleaning with equipment, and with the deodorizing, changing filter. The evaporators will also include the inspection, lubrication, repairs, air conditioning, heating equipment, the car lighting equipment, and charging of the battery, maintenance of the water system, and coolers, repair, replacement, and hardware liners. 4. The 4th Echelon maintenance and 4th Echelon maintenance will be performed by the car department and the personnel with the prescribed location will consist of the medium repairs and more of the extensive then running repairs which do not require fabrication of the material for the applying floor, sheeting, and the welding, the riveting, making doors, etc. And zone for the interior of the 4th Echelon repair for the baby performed at the outer drive of the common carrier of the railroad which has track connection to the home base for the domicile with the car with the consist of such inspection repair with necessary for the car to be accepted for the interchange movement under safety requirements standard of the Association of American Railroads will include only work which can be done with the local military personnel such as the truck, wheel, axle, inspection, repairs, draft gear, inspection, repair, air brakes, equipment inspection, cleaning, repair, inspection, repair, hangers, and support with underneath equipment inspection, repairs, and safety appliances of the improvements in theater operation. 4th Echelon maintenance will be performed by the railway shop and battalion. And your 5th Echelon maintenance within the zone of the interior of the 5th Echelon maintenance will be performed with the Transportation Corps Railroad Repair Shop with the common carrier of the railroad repairs for the car builders authorized chief of transportation consists of the general repairs, remodeling, classified mileage shopping, accordance with the standards adopted by the Chief of the Transportation. 2 years operation, 5th of the Echelon maintenance will be performed by the Railway Shop Battalion Authority of the Railway Grand Division. Headquarters will consist of the reconditioning of the equipment incorporating reclamination and liquid manufacture. Chapter 3, Regulations Governing Inspection Maintenance of the Rolling Stock, Section 1.